This lesson will introduce the statistics involved with marketing automation and how you'll track them. Whatever you decide your goal is, and you'll likely have more than just one, the next thing you need to do is figure out which metrics you'll need to track in order to determine how you're progressing toward that goal. By monitoring the activity surrounding your marketing automation workflows, you'll be able to keep an eye on their progress and stay ahead of any potential roadblocks. Your goal could be anything like increase revenue, get more conversions, clean your list of unengaged contacts. Define it now, and you'll be able to more easily specify the metrics that you should track to consider your progress. You'll want to strategize how you monitor and track the data associated with your marketing automation and your workflows so you can diagnose any issues with your workflows or report on any successes or failures. You want to make sure you keep your eyes and efforts focused on actionable rather than vanity metrics. A prime example of a vanity metric is web traffic. More traffic can be good, or even a great thing, of course, but the context is what matters. Unless you're targeting a particular audience or segment, just adding more visitors doesn't mean you are actually achieving your mission. Actionable metrics tell the story of what action needs to be taken to meet your goals. The gold standard for actionable metrics is actually the results of A/B testing. So some quick examples include, for actionable metrics, the results from any A/B tests that you run, click-through rates are great, conversion rates, and of course your ROI. All in all, the difference is that vanity metrics look nice and seem to show improvement, but can't really tell you if you're doing something right. So you'll need metrics such as open rates, the click-through rates, the number of people finishing your workflow, but you need to put these in context of your business and the specific actionable goal that you're monitoring for. How many sales or qualified leads did we generate instead of how much traffic did we generate? What's the conversion rate of our closed deals, and so on. So it's a good idea to monitor the number of subscribers who are currently involved in your workflows, the number of subscribers who complete your workflows, the analytics related to the messages that were sent through those workflows, and reports from any outside analytics programs you use, for example, like Google Analytics. Keep an eye on your email marketing related stats for the messages that you've sent through marketing automation. This will help you determine the overall engagement or lack thereof for the messages that are being sent through your workflows. And stats related to your contact lists will allow you to see trends over time related to the rates of subscription, the growth rate, or maybe you notice you're losing too many contacts to unsubscribes or bounces. This should alert you to changes that you should make in your list hygiene and your messaging strategy. Workflow activity stats are quite simple and to the point. The purpose is just so you can be able to see at a glance how many contacts have completed a given workflow and how many are in progress. ROI, website visits, and increase in your sales. You'll want to monitor and track these stats in conjunction with the performance and launch of your workflows. After a retargeting workflow is launched, did you see an increase in the sales for the product you retargeted your sales to? It's a simple question, but one you should be able to answer. Your takeaways. 3 simple steps for effective implementation and monitoring. Establish your goal and the metrics you need to monitor to ascertain if you've reached your goal or not. Execute the workflows with these in mind. And finally, track your necessary metrics and make necessary updates based on the results. So happy tracking!